Back with Indy, they set up this little training area for us. Not really. This is the bike parking, but we're going to use it as our little training area. Because you know how we love to wind around the cones. Anyway, so Indy is going to be for sale, you guys. We're going to get him a little bit more trained, but I mean, obviously it's going to have to be, oh, the most special home ever. And we're, really not selling him as much as we're just selling the training, so. Anyway, so I've got my pager on, I've got my nick set on about 20, but I may not even use the nick with him. Start my pager slightly before. Indy! Good. Wonderful. Slightly before. Yeah. Wonderful. Wonderful. Down. Oh, he's a little rock star, that one. Same thing, slightly before. I don't want you guys to be in a hurry. What people want to do is say heel and then just take off. Now, you're working as a team when you're doing this. So, Indy, stretching that name out. Good. Heel. Wonderful. Heel. Heel. Down. Good. No. Down. Not on the hip. I'm going to just a little. Oh, good. Oh, these are too chewy. Remind me not to get these treats again. They're too chewy. All right, I will now attempt to do a figure 8 around the cones. Start holding your breath now, everyone. Indy. Good. Heel. 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 Good. Good. Down. I used to do AKC obedience, and I can tell you right now, we would have failed the exercise with that. Down. He's going to need a lot of work on that one. More updates soon.